Hey guys, this is A for iOS Hacker. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max in my favorite Pacific blue color. Once we are done with the unboxing of this gigantic new iPhone, we will be comparing it with the iPhone 11 Pro Max, which it will be replacing as my daily driver. So without any further delays, let's get right into the unboxing process. Before we can open the iPhone 12 Pro Max box, we have to get rid of this plastic, which we can remove by simply pulling this flap. Okay, once we have removed it, put it aside, and then we will be able to open the box right away. As soon as you open the box, right off the bat you will see the big beautiful iPhone 12 Pro Max in its Pacific blue glory. You can pull the iPhone out by grabbing this white piece of paper from the bottom. Let's put the iPhone on the side for a second and look at what we have in the box. As expected, we get a USB-C cable in the box. Sadly, this year we don't get the 18 or 20 watt charger with the iPhone, and that you will have to purchase separately. We also get a SIM ejection tool, a manual, and Apple stickers. Nothing surprising in there. I would have liked if Apple had included Pacific Blue Apple stickers, but maybe next year. On the iPhone, you will find a white piece of paper which you can remove by grabbing the flap from the bottom and pulling up. Now we're going to turn on the phone by pressing the power/side button for a second. And as you can see, the iPhone starts booting up. Next, I'm going to set up my new iPhone and transfer data from my old iPhone 11 Pro Max to the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. In recent versions of iOS, Apple has made the transfer process a lot easier than it used to be, and you can easily transfer your files and settings by bringing both devices next to each other. Now that the transfer from the old iPhone to the new device is complete, let's compare the two devices next to each other. As you can see, the screen size difference isn't huge side by side, but it is still noticeable. I'm curious to see how it will improve the day-to-day usage of the device, and if the size difference will make any difference when viewing content, taking photos, or reading email. Let's compare the design of the two devices. The biggest difference that you will notice between both iPhones is on the sides, thanks to the iPhone 12 Pro's new flat edge design. On iPhone 11 Pro, the design is much more rounded. On the back, you can see the camera module is noticeably bigger on the iPhone 12 Pro compared to the iPhone 11 Pro Max. On the other side, you will see the volume buttons. Here's a view of the top. Even though it might not be apparent on the video, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is noticeably thinner than the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We will be doing a complete comparison of iPhone 12 Pro Max and iPhone 11 Pro Max in a separate video. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more iPhone 12 Pro content. This was Zay for iOS Hacker, and I will catch you in our next video.